Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only platform where you learn to invest and trade in the stock market, plan your financial goals, invest in different financial assets, and grow with a community of knowledgeable investors. If you are not a part of the community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the community free of cost. Coming to the market yesterday, the Nifty opened with slight gap up at 16,474, but as expected, it just slid from there. Yes, there was major selling that came in, and in fact, it went to a low of 16,293 just before the RBI, monetary policy details came out. And as it came out, we could see a sudden positivity, and we could see again rising up a volatile movement upwards towards 16,514, breaking all important levels. But then again came in a major selling, and we could see Nifty finally settling down at 16,356. In fact, the FIIs continued to sell for more than 2,484 crores and DIIs bought for just 1,904 crores. In fact, in the monetary policy, the committee did raise the repo rate by 50 basis points to touch 4.9%. And, it is a mixed response for the same. Though it is within expectations, the market is kind of taken it positively, and I don't see another major fall ahead. But then there is another important data which is coming up tomorrow, Friday evening, that is the US inflation data. So that is the next thing that is actually of major concern to the market as of now. And yesterday we could see the same thing being affected at US, as US also opened with a gap down and closed in negative. Yes, so US also closed in negative, and of course with US markets already in closing in negative yesterday, we could see some weakness in SGX Nifty also. So if you look at US markets yesterday, Dow Jones closed down by 0.81%, S&P 500 was down by 1.08%, Nasdaq was kind of lesser down. In fact, it was down just by 0.73%. So because of which we could see the SGX Nifty already trading lower with expecting a lower gap down opening. In fact, SGX Nifty is close to 16,283. That means we could see a Nifty opening somewhere close to 16,300 levels. So like I've already told you, 16,200 is a major level on the downside to be seen, but major support and downside is actually coming on only at 16,000, right? So on the higher side, of course, which I'm not expecting much movement, but still 16,400 can be seen as a resistance, and above that 16,700 is a major resistance. So these are how the market can perform. So for the expiry today, I expect the Nifty to trade between 16,000 and 16,400. So this is the range I'm expecting, and our trades in Gold Club also will be based on the same. In fact, with the gap down opening today, I am sure all the Gold Club members would be coming out with amazing profits today. Unfortunately for the investors, yes, this is a time that we can be more of a time that we need to take to learn about market, invest in a SIP mode, and make money when the market rises again. So patience is the key for investors, and for traders, we make money when the market falls or even goes up. So anyway, we always make money. So that's what is happening right now. We've had amazing week this week already. Let us hope to end this week by having a profitable trade even on a expiry today. So apart from that, coming to some stock specific news, the Wipro has a good news wherein they will be helping Petrobras. It's the largest publicly traded company in Brazil to advance its digital journey. And apart from that, we have Indian Oil. In fact, what they have done is they have signed a long-term agreement with Air Products, a world leader in industrial gases. So they are going to be having a regular supply to them, and this is a positive for IOC. Apart from the Tata Power is already in news again, as they have commissioned a 450 megawatt capacity solar plant near Rajasthan. Tata Steel is in news as they have acquired 12.17% in TRF for 165 crores. Tech Mahindra is again in news after a long time. They have acquired a 26% equity stake in Huaban Energy. It's a newly incorporated renewable energy firm for 1.6 crores. In fact, nowadays, the way we've been seeing all the big numbers, I think 1.6 crores actually sounds too small, right? Okay, so that's a news for the day. So as the Nifty is opening with a gap down, I am expecting a small rise and followed by a fall, and probably by afternoon we could see the market actually recovering and probably hoping to see the market actually closing slightly in the green today. So I'm just looking to see that. Let's see how things go. However, we need to know that the markets can be jittery and in a cautious mode till the weekend because of the US inflation data coming up after Indian markets close. So for now, whatever trades we do today after taking the profit, tomorrow would be day I would avoid to stay in the market, just because the kind of volatility that can be brought because of the US inflation data can be really high. So it can be on the positive side or the negative side on Monday, and that's exactly why we would not be taking any trades for this week after today, right? So let's have a profitable day. Wishing all of you a great day as well. Looking forward to a great day as well. So see you in the evening market podcast with more discussions on this. So till then, this is Srikant, Rajan signing off. But before you leave, do press the like button and share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye.